Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, your boy, Young Thug. Make sure you subscribe, like, and I messed up for a second, but so right now I'm in my room recording, and I'm only recording right now because my school is out currently. But yeah, so if you guys want to see more off-road outlaws and some Roblox, maybe, heck, I'll even film Grand Theft Auto if I get to there. I might just film some sort of games if you want. If you guys subscribe and like, I'll give away 27. I will give away 3 different Prodigy accounts. Sorry, my brain messed up there. So yeah, I will be giving away 3 Prodigy accounts if we can reach at least 55 subscribers by the end of this year. So tell your family members and stuff to subscribe. And I will give away one of my rich accounts in this game, which is Off-Road Outlaws. If you guys don't know what it is, I don't know where you've been. It's one of the most popular games out currently on the Google Play and App Store. So if you guys want to install it, yeah, it's on App Store, I believe, so it should be. But this spot right here, guys, is where I found one of my barn finds. So yeah, like and subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next, okay? If you guys name it, I'll do it for y'all, because you guys are the best. So yeah, I just wanted to make a short little clip because I miss y'all. You guys are the best viewers in the entire world. I would do anything for you guys, so bye.